Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today is a get ready with me. I'm just going to show you how to do this easy smoky eye that's really great for any occasion, especially these days in the holidays. If you'd like to see how I got this look, just keep watching. So first I'm starting out with a primer. This primer is the Natural Radiance Primer by MAC in the color yellow, and I'm just applying it all over my face. Next I'm going with the LANCOME Tinted Moisturizer, and that feels so good. And the color that I'm using is 35W Almond. And this tinted moisturizer is the bomb. I love it because it looks so natural looking, but also gives really good coverage. Now I'm going in with a Prep and Prime pen, highlighter pen in light medium by MAC, and I'm just making these cute little wings under my eyes. I'm blending it out with the same sounding ketchup brush that I used for my foundation. Now I'm going in with AIRSPUN Naturally Neutral Loose Powder, and I'm applying it where I placed my concealer and also under my contour where I will be applying, and my chin. Now I'm going in with this Benefits Brow Gel. If you would like to see how I did my brows, just comment below, just let me know, and I would love to do a separate tutorial. Now I'm going in with the Studio Select Concealer by MAC, and this is an NC25, and I'm just carving it out, and I'm also going to use it as an eye base. Now the residue that's left on my brush of the translucent powder, I'm just going to apply on my eye also. Now I'm going in with the Smokey Naked palette, and the color that I'm using is Combust, and I'm just using it as a transition color. Now I'm going in with the Naked Ultimate palette, and let me check what the color is. Where's that palette at? Oh my gosh. Darn it, she wasn't ready. The color is Faith, and then I'm going to also use Lockout. So I'm just building the two colors up. So it's going to be Faith and Lockout. And I'm just going to do the kind of halo look without kind of doing all the concealer in the middle. We're just going to make it look like a really good blended out halo look. Now I'm going in with this gold MAXX glitter pen, and that's just going to be the base for this Bronze Pigment by MAC also that I'm just placing in the middle. And now I'm just going in with Lockout just to make sure I didn't lose any of that brown. Just kind of making sure they're both even before I go on to the next stage. And just little by little building it up. I'm actually little by little building up some black, so it's better to start off real light and smoke it out little by little. I'm going in with this iridescent, really bronzy, cute color that's from the MAC Holiday bronzing palette. And now I'm going in with High, that's from the Smokey Naked palette, just applying it under my brow. Dust all that powder off, girl, because that's not cute. And this eyeliner is it, girl. Like, if you only knew, I got this liner from Walmart for Halloween, and I don't even know what the name brand is, so no details on that. This is the MAC bronzer, also in that holiday little kit, and I'm just using it as a contour and as a nose contour, and every contour you can think of, we're going to use it. Now I'm going with my favorite mascara. Sad story, this thing is discontinued. I don't even know why. They always be doing stuff like that though. These lashes though, like, come on. My grandmother is a boss for buying these lashes for me. She got them at TJ Maxx, and they're like some kind of holiday kit, so I can't really help you on that one either. This is Feline eyeliner. I just put on my waterline, and I'm going to smoke out my bottom lid with was it Lockout and Blackjack in the Ultimate Basics palette. And using that same mascara, my baby though. Because I was a dummy and I didn't bring any highlighter, I'm just going to use that high color from the Smokey Naked palette. I'm just going to apply it on my cheeks and down my nose and the inner corner of my eyes. And lastly is the lips. I'm going in with this nude lip liner, and the color is called actually Nude, and it's by NYX. And I'm going to go in with Influentually It by MAC. It's a matte powder kiss, and I love this color. Now I'm going to go in Superb, or what is it? Just Superb Cream Sheen Lip Gloss. And that is the look. Thank y'all for watching this video, and of course subscribe, like, and comment for any other looks that y'all would like to see. See y'all on the next one. Bye bye.